Ladies and gentlemen, today's video is going to be a head-turner. We're diving into a full cinematic comparison between two of the most anticipated luxury motorhomes of the future, the 2026 upcoming Kenworth Motorhome versus the 2026 Tesla Motorhome. These aren't just vehicles, they're rolling mansions, dream machines, and the ultimate symbols of freedom, innovation, and style. So if you've ever imagined living on the road without sacrificing luxury, this is the video you've been waiting for. Welcome to this luxurious Motorhomes YouTube channel. Let's begin with the 2026 Kenworth Motorhome. From the very first glance, it's clear this isn't your average RV. It's a palace on wheels. The exterior is styled like a grand mansion, complete with arched windows, ornate balconies, and gold-accented columns. The cab is a sleek Mercedes-Benz design, seamlessly integrated into the body, giving it a futuristic yet classical look. The white and gold color scheme glows under the sunlight, and the polished surfaces reflect the world around it like a mirror. As it begins to move, the Kenworth Motorhome doesn't just drive, it glides. The engine roars with confidence, and the acceleration is smooth and powerful. Whether it's cruising down a mountain highway or rolling through city streets, this motorhome commands attention. It's built for long drives, scenic road trips, and unforgettable adventures. Couples love it for romantic getaways, families use it for cross-country travel, and luxury seekers choose it to experience nature without sacrificing comfort. Remember, this is a VS video. After we explore Kenworth, we'll dive into Tesla's futuristic masterpiece. But first, let's step inside the Kenworth and see what makes it truly special. The interior is nothing short of breathtaking. You're welcomed into a spacious TV lounge with velvet-lined seating and ambient lighting that sets a warm, cinematic mood. The TV isn't centered, giving the room a balanced, elegant feel. It's a space designed for relaxation, entertainment, and connection, whether you're watching a movie or enjoying a quiet evening. Next, the bedroom. This is where romance meets royalty. A central bed with an ornate carved headboard, embroidered bedding, and soft lighting creates a dreamy atmosphere. Velvet drapes frame the windows, and the view outside, and whether it's mountains, forests, or city lights, adds to the magic. It's intimate, luxurious, and designed for those who believe travel should be unforgettable. The kitchen is a masterpiece. Marble countertops, gold-trimmed cabinetry, and a full-size refrigerator proudly displaying the Kenworth logo make it both functional and stylish. Built-in ovens, an induction cooktop, and a deep farmhouse sink with a golden faucet ensure that every meal is a celebration. It's a space where food becomes part of the journey. Then there's the balcony-style sitting area. Arched windows, velvet curtains, and a view that changes with every mile. This is the heart of the motorhome. It's perfect for morning coffee, evening conversations, or simply watching the world go by. It's not just a sitting area, it's a stage for memories. And of course, the driver cockpit. Plush leather seating with gold stitching, a high-tech dashboard, and a panoramic windshield make it feel like a command center. Driving this motorhome isn't a task, it's an experience. The Kenworth logo glows on the console, reminding you of the power behind the beauty. Outside again, the motorhome shines with elegance. Its horsepower delivers smooth acceleration, and its performance is built for every terrain. Kenworth's reputation for durability and innovation is on full display. It's no surprise that celebrities are drawn to it. In fact, Cristiano Ronaldo is rumored to be eyeing one for his personal collection. When luxury meets performance, the result is irresistible. Now let's move to the second motorhome, the 2026 Tesla Motorhome. Get ready, because what you're about to see is not just a motorhome, it's the future of luxury travel on wheels. The 2026 Tesla Motorhome is a groundbreaking masterpiece that blends futuristic design, cutting-edge technology, and the ultimate in comfort. This isn't just a vehicle, it's a moving luxury mansion, a dream on wheels, and a glimpse into tomorrow's lifestyle. From the very first glance, the exterior of the Tesla Motorhome takes your breath away. The sleek aerodynamic body is finished in glossy black paint, accented with bold red wave-like graphics that flow across the sides. The shine is so deep and reflective that it looks like liquid metal under the sunlight. Every curve and every line has been sculpted to perfection, giving it a futuristic presence that dominates the road. Whether it's parked in the desert, cruising down an endless highway, or gliding through city streets, this motorhome looks like a piece of art in motion. On highways, the LED lights sparkle like jewels, making it impossible to ignore. This is not just transportation. It's a statement of power, elegance, and innovation. Step inside and the magic continues. The TV lounge area feels more like a 5-star penthouse than a motorhome. Plush leather sofas with red stitching invite you to relax. Ambient LED lighting glows softly along the ceiling and walls. A massive Ultra HD flat screen dominates the lounge, proudly displaying the Tesla logo. The bedroom is a sanctuary of intimacy and style. A king-size bed with a premium leather headboard, polished wood flooring, and soft ambient lights create a warm, romantic atmosphere. The Tesla logo above the bed reminds you that you're living inside a masterpiece. Imagine lying here with someone special, the stars visible through the panoramic glass windows, whispering, "If home is where the heart is, then this motorhome is where our hearts will always travel together." The kitchen is a chef's dream. Marble countertops, chrome and carbon fiber finishes, and a built-in induction cooktop make it sleek and functional. There's a smart oven, a futuristic sink, and even a wine cooler. The centerpiece is a large refrigerator with the Tesla logo glowing proudly. Every detail screams luxury. Now let's head upstairs to the second floor. With panoramic glass walls and a wraparound balcony, it offers breathtaking views. Inside, you'll find a luxurious lounge, a modern entertainment wall, and a bar counter with high-end stools. The polished marble flooring and ambient lighting make it feel like a rooftop lounge in a luxury hotel. Whether you're parked by the ocean or overlooking a desert sunset, this upper floor gives you a front-row seat to nature's beauty. The driver's cockpit is where Tesla's innovation truly shines. A panoramic windshield gives you a commanding view of the road. The dashboard is fully digital, with a massive central touchscreen that controls everything. The steering wheel is sleek and the leather driver's seat is designed for maximum comfort. Outside again, the Tesla Motorhome looks like a futuristic sculpture. Its glossy black body reflects the golden sands. The red accents glow against greenery, and every background makes it look like a masterpiece. Powered by advanced electric motors, the Tesla Motorhome delivers breathtaking horsepower and instant torque. It accelerates smoothly and silently, with a top speed that rivals luxury SUVs. Its range is perfect for long journeys, and Tesla's charging network keeps you moving. This motorhome is so impressive that even celebrities are taking notice. It's said that Donald Trump himself has expressed interest in owning one, calling it the ultimate symbol of luxury and success. When world leaders and celebrities pay attention, you know it's something truly extraordinary. Thank you so much for watching this video all the way through. If you enjoyed this cinematic comparison between the 2026 Kenworth Motorhome and the 2026 Tesla Motorhome, please give this video a like, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more luxury motorhome content. And now it's your turn. Which one would you choose? The classical elegance and power of the Kenworth, or the futuristic innovation and electric luxury of the Tesla? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. Until next time, take care, travel in style, and remember, the road is yours.